So I am doing now the range test for my G-Force T7, and so far this thing is a beast of a bike, an e-bike. So far on my trip I went 20 miles. I'll put the picture up on the screen up here, but look at this. Still full bars. I went pedal assist the first, let's say 5 miles, and then I did, let's say 10 miles, and I throttled it. That is insane. I can't even, I don't even have words to describe. So now I just have to make it back home and see what's the battery life now. So I'll make another jump cut when I get home, and I'm gonna compare the mileage. So I made it back home, and my goodness, when they say this bike does have a lot of range, they weren't kidding. So far my trip, I went 36 miles, and look at this, still full bars. I literally went 36 miles today from my trip, and still full bars. That is absolutely insane.
Day 2.
Is the G-Force T7. So I believe that this bike can get a 100-mile range on throttle alone.